things done. If I wasn't trying to record it. Alright, how about I'm gonna put this down here. Oh, almost fell. I think I caught it. Alright. Alright. Awesome 32 minutes. Now if I had the tie-down strap ideal, pretty sure this would go a lot quicker. But no, the one tie-down strap I had is on that other setup, and I don't want to take it off. Oh, did you hear that? Or was I talking right when that happened? And it's all day. Well, not all day, but at least every night. You hear how bang noise. So. I am moving light. And right now I'm trying to string it on this bamboo tree is right above us. Trying to put it on the end of the tree enough to help it slag. Now it's not working. Off. Look, it says off 1 or 2. I mean 1 off or 2. He's been outside all day. Guess he needs a while to charge. So that didn't come in handy. Alright, so I guess that light idea was dead. Woo! Once I got that on camera. Oh, I guess my phone died. We're gonna walk this bead a little bit more. Now I'm gonna break out the bigger tools. Alright. Incredible. Incredible. I'm going to take this new bar. I was talking about this theory when I was doing the other video, since I had that bar now. And I was thinking about it, being able to do that. I'm going to try it. Ooh, kick that out. Alright, so we are at 21 minutes. That is horrible. Alright, so since I don't need this on here, I guess. Almost. There we go. Got this over the top. Bring it back down. Stop getting tangled up. There we go. We're homeward bound. Need to angle this baby right over here. Alright. This goes over here. This back up. Now this is gonna make all the difference right here. Already know it. Already done it. But let's just do it again, because that's what it does. The easiest way to help it stay is to make it stay. Wish I could have done that with females in my life, but we'll all learn that lesson. So I'm going to wrap this around here like I done the other day when I got those other babies broke loose. Somebody's yelling. Get that up here a little bit more. Got a little bit more slack up on here. That's about good. Yeah, we ain't got too much room on that ratchet. Should bring that handle up a little bit more. But we're alright. vehicle over there. See if I can get this bar back up in here. Almost. More slack. Alright. It's on the tail shaft of the tennis racket. Alright, bead splitters in there. Give it a little bit of pressure. Alright. Now to make this easy, because nothing about this has been easy, but we're gonna make this a little bit more quicker. We're gonna apply a little bit of pressure right up here to the handle. Ah, it's popped down. Broke it. Give it leverage. Tie this sucker here. Somebody's stomping something. Somebody's dumping something over here in those projects. Anybody knows where I live? I don't know if y'all can hear me. Don't know if it's really recording still. You recording still? Yeah. We at 28 minutes. Well, alright, there's 2 videos right there. But, alright. Where's that spray bottle? Where's the spray bottle? Alright, can you help me find a spray bottle? If you see a spray bottle, hit me with it. Where did I have that spray bottle? Oh, hey. Hey, little spray bottle, what you hiding over here for? I got something for you to do. Alright. Pretty good soaked. Alright, then I'm gonna come over here and grab this little baby pry bar. Leave that sucker right there so I don't lose it.